Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2001 Ford Mustang V6. So today we're gonna change the fuel filter. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Let's show you what is the location. So the location is in the back of the car, behind the differential. You can do it from the side, or if you have a left, you can do it from there. To change the fuel filter for 2001 Ford Mustang is in the back, behind the differential, is in the top right there. So what you need, we need a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and we need a key to unclip the hose. This way the key, you can find it on AutoZone. So right there we'll have to open this one here. To lose it. Okay, and for the second thing we do, you have the clamps here. Clamps for this. So you have to push it down. Push it here, like that, and you pull it. There we go. This is the first one. And we'll do the same thing for the other sides. The same thing. Put this one down. Okay. So now we're gonna get the key. The key will put between them. I have to push it with the key. See which side, because this one has two sides. See which one exactly they go for that. That can pull the leg. So all you have to push a little bit. It's really hard. So I show you after that. Let me remove it. Okay. Yeah. With the snag that one, put on the sides, and fuel pump is open now. So there we go. This is the first one here, and we'll go to the second one here to the top. There we go. Now the fuel pump is free. The fuel filter is free, so I have to pull it. Okay. And be careful, no one smoke close to the gas. I have to okay, so now let's remove it from the place, put a new one. This is the new one. So now we remove the old one. This is the new one. Remember, it have to be this side like that. So let's snag it in place. So it's gonna be difficult a little bit. Go. Got a place. So now I have to snag it back. Go. Push it up. Until you hear it click. There we go. So with the click, get this one here and sides. And do this one like that. There we go. It's hard to do it with one hand. There we go. There we go. Set to his place. And we'll do the same thing for the other sides. Puts this one in place, like that. And we're gonna get this one here very hard. Have to push it hard. Okay, now we're done. We'll put everything back to its place. Now we have to do, let someone do primer for the car. Don't start it, just 2 clicks for until we make sure there is no gas leaking. Do it like 3 times, then we can start the car. Now we're trying 2 clicks for. Go ahead. We'll make sure there's no leak. This is the second time, no leak. That's good. So it's good, there's no leak now. And this is the old fuel. Really bad. So guys, it's really easy to change the fuel filter for this car, especially it's old. Start from 1999 until 2004 to change the fuel filter for this car. It's the same parts, just have to do a screwdriver and go to AutoZone, pick up the key to release the hose from the fuel filter, and good to go guys. If you like this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See you guys, thank you.